Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can possibly fix this issue when your Ableton is not responding and what you can actually do about it. So what you can actually do is that you can start fresh. This is the first thing. Open a new empty live set instead of respawning a potentially corrupted one. Reboot your set. If issue persists, consider rebooting your set from scratch. You can also try to disable plugins, temporarily disable all plugins to check if they are causing the problem, that is non-responding. Load the problematic set on different computers to isolate the issue. And you can also install the older version. So these are the things that you can try to do. And also really important thing, guys, is that if it's not responding, then you just have to restart the computer. But this is pretty much it what you can try to do, and maybe some of it is going to actually help you. I hope it does. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.